Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jake. Some call me Chef Jacques, whatever you prefer. I am here for you. This channel is all about what you want me to cook. My favorite cooking is Mediterranean food. Really, really good for you. And it's really tasty. Let's get into this. So today what we're going to be making is mushroom hummus. It's very simple, but this is a great starter and it's a really nice tasty snack that you can have anytime. I recommend you try it at least once with some warm pita. Oh. Alright guys, let's get right into it. So what you're going to need, first off, a quarter of an onion, but not even. You can use less. Next, just a little bit of lemon juice. About a half a teaspoon or a small clove of garlic minced up. You'll need a dash of white cooking wine, but if you have your own that you drink, just use that. A small pinch of salt for tasting. There may only be 3 mushrooms there, but you'll need more like 4 or 5, because it's mushroom hummus. You'll need chicken stock, pita bread, and lastly the hummus. So you're going to want to slice your onions as thinly as you possibly can. This way when you saute them, they'll caramelize much faster and also cook really evenly. Cutting the mushrooms is really simple. You just cut off the stems and then you cut it 3 to 4 slices one way and then 3 to 4 perpendicular. That way you get really nice even dices. So now that you have all your prep together, you want to get a pan really nice and hot, about medium heat, and pour a little bit of vegetable oil, like a tablespoon. So throw your onions in there and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally. So now that your onions have browned up a little bit, you're going to make a space in the center, so that way you have an area for your garlic to cook. Once you put it in, you want to let it cook for about a minute. Now you can see the bottom of the pan is starting to develop some burnt bits. This is called fond, and what we do is add water. And this process is called deglazing. What it does is it rehydrates the onions and incorporates all the flavor from that fond into the onions. So it's been about 10 minutes of cook time and the onions are already fairly caramelized. As you can see, we're adding the mushrooms. Now you see that fond has redeveloped on the bottom of the pan, so we want to add a tablespoon or 2 of wine and just a splash of lemon juice. So you're going to want to let that cook for another minute just to burn off the alcohol. Now you can pour in a splash of chicken stock. This dish is completely yours to play with. I like to add honey to it because it balances out the acidity from the lemon. I also know it goes really good with pomegranate molasses if you can get your hands on that. But it's really all about balance, guys. Like, I like to add cumin too because it adds like an earthy, nutty flavor to the mushrooms to counteract. And also you want to toast up your pita. And finally I finish it with butter just to make it more rich. Now it's time to spread the hummus. I want to show you how to make fresh hummus from scratch with dried chickpeas. It's all around so much better. It's cheaper, it tastes way better, it's healthier. So I'm definitely going to show you that one day. I like to sprinkle smoked paprika on top. I like that smoky flavor. In Israel, actually, they normally put paprika and minced parsley, so not too far off. If you have olive oil, now would be the time to add it. Normally with the pitas, I'll toast them with butter or oil, and I'll put a little bit of za'atar on it, but I don't have that spice right now. It's really good. I recommend it. So all you gotta do now is just cut your pita up, and then you just add your mushrooms. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you mushroom hummus. It's a great snack, really quick and easy. I really recommend it. Give it a try. And if you're feeling kind of crazy, try adding like pickled onions on it or something.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you think, give me a comment, and I will be sure to respond. Thank you. Have a nice day, and always remember, Jake will cook that. Peace.